That thing got chewed up fierce. Oh, yep, that was a problem. Somebody probably tried to switch uh, speeds on this x-axis feed while it was on, or they didn't engage it properly. So that's trash. That there is trash. And this shifting fork, here's the new one. Now I just cut it and did a little file work, and it goes right in there like so. And the idea is that when it's turning, uh, it will move it. Nice little easy repair. Now we can get this thing back together. Man, what a pain. A royal pain to get that thing all fixed up. The original drawings are hideous. They're hard to follow, but they can be deciphered and they do help. So you have your input on the top, your intermediate gear here in the center, and then you have your output. And this has a little pin and that connects to this shaft, which will lead to the table. So much nicer than before. It was a greasy, sloppy. The oil on the fill was actually clogged shut. It was so old and nasty, but whoever was using it before, I guess they assumed that it had oil, because when you'd fill it up, it'd fill up the cup, but you're getting no oil inside of here, so that oil was definitely past its prime. When you clean up all that grit and grime, this stuff moves so much nicer. Some dead grease there, buddy. That's okay though. That's why we do this. I couldn't get the quill out of here, and it requires the use of a just a random little. I think this is a 1032 little bolt, and you screw that down in here, and what you do is you end up extracting this little plug. It's actually a key, and there's a keyway cut on the side of the quill, so it was keeping the entire quill from dropping out. So if you own one of these and you're trying to figure out how to take the quill out, you gotta get this guy. Sneaky. There we go. Last little part. Just don't drop it. Don't. Oh, she's heavy. Quill and the spindle, they've been sent off to Wells Index for a regrind. They should have those parts in the next couple of days. Hope to hear back from them soon. We'll see what the status is. The this front section here, we got a big scratch. I'm assuming some chips and whatnot got up underneath there and really scored a section there. Not much we can do about that right now. Here are the current parts all laid out. Still a lot more to go. I am definitely running out of space. Oh yeah, wait, you got to check this out. No, this was an awesome score. Pick this up on Craigslist for dirt cheap. Have you ever seen? Just check out how much one of these costs brand new. This thing is in very nice shape. It has a little tiny little crash mark you can see on one of the jaws, but you know what? I'm not complaining. I think this is an awesome addition to the milling machine. I got a couple other things that are coming this way for the machine. I'll let you know in another video about those. And yeah, hang in there. These are going to be the short, to the point, keep you updated, keep you in the loop. Peace. See ya.